people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel who have done it, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So today's look, I'm going to be doing this blue sultry eye look, and since we are in the holiday season, might as well just do holiday look that can be done for any event, for day or night, because you know, when we are in holiday season, we get invited randomly onto different places, while it's at work, while it's a family, or it's from acquaintances. So this is the perfect look you can carry with any event you go to. Either is it day look or either is it a night event. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Just going to prime my eyes using the Kryolan foundation. I like to use this as a concealer, and the color I'm using is Ivory. And the brush that I'm using is from Real Technique and it's called buffing brush. There are two different kind of buffing brush. One is bigger one and the one is smaller one. The one I'm using was the smaller one. And then I'm going to take a very flat brush and taking the color Blonde from Gwen Stefani palette by Urban Decay, putting it on my brow bone. Now that I'm taking same palette, the color SKIMP, and taking it on a very fluffy big brush and just putting it all over my primer to set the primer. That way we can have a smooth color application. The reason why we want to do it is also so when we start putting the color or transition colors, it blends out smooth. Now I'm using the same palette, taking the color ANAHEIM and going again with the fluffy brush, but this brush is from JAPONESQUE, and the one I'm using is, there was no name on it, but I'm pretty sure it's fluffy brush that can be used for blendable or any taper brush that you can use. And the color I was using on that crease was ANAHEIM. Now taking the same palette, and the color I am using is still ANAHEIM, just making sure that it's blend on the both eyes and the way I want it, just to make sure both eyes looks the same. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the Urban Decay color Zone just to darken my inner crease, just making sure that you're not going all the way inside, starting off with corner of your eye, outer corner of your eye, and blending it halfway inside, and then taking your way all the way to the inner crease. That way it's darker outside and a little louder on the inner side. Now I'm taking the color Zone again to darken it up, and I'm adding the color Serious with it. By adding the color Serious with the color Zone will just give us a depth and most likely kind of like a sultry look, because if you combine those two together, that brings up a little ashy charcoal tone to it. And then just to darken a little more, I'm adding the color Punk towards more on the darker side, so when I start putting my glitter on, it just sees through or comes through the glitter. Now I'm taking the color Serious and Punk again, making sure both eyes look the same on top and they are looking equally in depth as I would want it to. Once I'm happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and take the color Danger, and I absolutely love this color. And this time I'm taking a little smaller brush than the one I was using earlier, just to dab that blue color or the color Danger on my middle eyelids. We just want to make sure we're not taking it all the way towards the inner or all the way towards the outer crease of these eyes. Just stay within the middle, and then rock your brush back and forth just to you have nice blendable or blending application. After that, I am going to go ahead and take the color 1987, and on a very small brush I'm going to just do the tear duct. That way I have my corner of the eye is popping up. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Maybelline brow gel. It's not really a brow gel, it is an eyeliner that I use as a brow gel because that's the only color will look good on my eyebrows, since that's the darkest color there is out there. I have tried doing the dark browns, but they won't look good, or they can make. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to underline or do the inner corners or the inside of my eye using the Urban Decay Black On Glide Pencil. And I'm just doing it inside and then going towards the mascara. The mascara I use, the first one I use is the Clinique Black Mascara. The reason why I use two is because they give me a very nice lift when I do two applications of two different mascaras. So the first one is Clinique, and the second one that I'm using is from Urban Decay Troublemaker. And you will see the difference between when I do both rather than just one mascara application. And here is the second application. If you guys notice, my eyelashes have already lifted up just by doing two applications of mascara with the two different brands. Going back with the color zone just to blend the harsh crease or harsh lines toward the top of my eye. And then I'm going to take color Vega and Galaxy both together and putting it on a very small eyeshadow brush just to tap on. Those eyeshadows are kind of like a glittered eyeshadow, just to give a little hint of glitter, but this glide on very smoothly. I really hope you guys like. Hi guys, so here is the complete look, and I just went ahead and put my makeup on, my foundation on after I was done with my eye look, and just had my hair tie up and put my lashes on. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my video, and comment below to let me know what other videos would you like to see in details. And all the products that I've used will be listed below. Thank you so much, and you guys have a beautiful holiday season.